This is Andre. I'm from Shums Auto Repair, and today we want to show you a quick video about what happens to the brakes when you don't pay attention to the noises. So when this car rolled into the parking lot right away, we noticed a lot of rust buildup on this car. So we knew the brake system will need serious repairs. We didn't think it was going to be that extensive, but once we pulled the wheel off, check out what we found. So this rotor, which normally is about 20 millimeters, which is a little less than ½ inch, is down to this thin little piece here. Obviously this noise has been happening for a while. The customer just didn't pay attention and just kept driving. We don't know for what reason, but this repair will be not just a regular brake service, but it will have to be a rotor, the calipers. We'll disassemble it more and see what's going on with the parking brake. But this is going to be a repair that should have been a lot cheaper if it was caught in time and turned out to be a regular brake service. And now this thing will need a lot of parts and labor to get this back on the road. So just pay attention when you drive the car, and you hear any kind of noises, stop in. We don't charge anything for inspection. We'll just take a look at the car, make sure everything is okay, and make sure you're safe on the road. Our phone number here is 215-856-4123. We're located at Ron and Frankfurt, which is really easy to find, right on Ron Street. So stop in anytime your car makes noise, and we will check it out for you and make sure it's all safe. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.